If you have been experiencing difficulty opening a program on your preferred monitor, you are in the right place. We have got an effective solution lined up for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Select the primary monitor. Right-click on the desktop and go to Display Settings. After that, from the available monitor options, choose the one where you want to open a particular game. Then check Make this my main display option. Now you can open all your games on the monitor you want. And there you have it, an easy solution to open a game on a particular monitor in Windows 11. We hope that this particular method worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.